Thank you very much. I was tempted to say good morning. And it is a very good morning in Aberystwyth. I am not going to speak, I'm not going to attempt to speak with the degree of hoil and local conviction that we've just had from my very good friend, Dafydd Iwan. But the message that I bring to you is no less heartfelt. I'm here today to support Penri, and I hope that people throughout the length and breadth of Wales will think very seriously about the way that they will cast their vote on May the 6th. We have not been well served by our government in Westminster. We have had 40 years of political consensus which has put the interests of London at the heart of all of our decision making. And that political consensus is shared between those people that David described as those three men. The Conservative Party, unfortunately the Labour Party and the Lib Dems have shared that political consensus that what matters in Britain is the future and the prosperity of that square mile in the City of London. And when you have a political consensus without any real challenge to the priorities, you have a country descending into the country that we see today. We've had the worst economic collapse that any of us have seen. Following from that, we have political corruption on an appalling scale in London. We've seen a growth of inequality right throughout the length of Britain, and we see the British people led by the British government into overseas military adventures where we are killing innocent men, women and children in the name of the British state and in the name of the Americans. Now that is the consequence of having a political consensus. They talk about, I mean, like me, you'll have watched some of the debate on television, they talk about change. We are the party of change. The only difference is the colour of their ties. They shouldn't call themselves different parties. They should say the blue tie party, or the red tie party, or the orange tie party. They don't offer any difference. This election offers us in Wales the chance to send a very clear message. Every vote which is cast in this election for Plaid Cymru is a vote cast on behalf of the people of Wales. Every vote cast for Plaid Cymru candidates will be noted in London. In terms of politics, in terms of what we offer, it is now only Plaid Cymru which can challenge that political consensus. If you want to affect those issues which are concerning us, if you want to change the structure of politics, if you want to change the quality of democracy, if you want to bring equality, if you want to make sure that communities know where they stand and have secure futures, there's only one thing to do on May the 6th, and that is to support your Plaid Cymru candidate. Penri, I'm delighted to be here. I wish you every success. I have no doubt at all that you and many, many other Plaid Cymru candidates are going to be successful on May the 6th, and Wales will be better for it. Thank you very much.